much of a surprise is this going to be, and how much pushback will there be from shareholders?
Well, I'd say it's a bit of a surprise. I mean, there was this power struggle going on now for a couple of days or a couple of weeks, so to speak. So it was clear that at some point there must be a decision that either of the two has to go. Now it's Thiam. I think it's a surprise in the way that he did a really good job in turning around the bank. The share price is up under his leadership. And it's interesting that the board fully backed Röner on the move, given that there was some high-profile investors that strongly opposed against it. So it is quite a surprise.
Yeah, and what do we expect the strategy to look like now under Thomas Gottstein?
Well, I guess they're not going to change it dramatically. Gottstein is a long-term manager at the bank, and he knows the strategy quite well. And I guess he's like behind the recent changes or the changes of the last year that Thiam put in place. And he's the former manager of the Universal Bank, so he's quite at the heart of the bank and so to speak also of the new strategy to go back to the retail clients, to wealth management, to do the more steady business and less the more volatile investment banking. So I don't expect that the strategy is going to change dramatically.
Ross, let me bring you in here. How does this sort of position Credit Suisse versus UBS when we get news breaking like this morning, even though it wasn't a total surprise?
Well, it's hard to say how much it will change their approach or change their competitiveness. You know, both of them do overlap in a lot of ways, and we will have to see if there's a serious strategy change with the new CEO, and I don't think so. So this could be, you know, obviously it could be a shock to the shares and the idea of stability, but I can't imagine there's going to be any immediate impact on the performance of the bank right now.